Welcome back, folks. So today we will be seeing on-screen edits feature in Fable. Fable captures the complete HTML and CSS code of recorded web pages or applications, enabling modification of any element. Its no-code editor lets users edit captured screens, allowing alterations like text and image editing, adjusting visibility, blurring elements, and more. So let's go ahead and check this out. We have edit over here. For example, let's change this name. Let's click on name. We get this update text. Name over here, show element, blur element, mask element. Let's change the name to okay. Here we go. That's done. Now, what else can we modify? Let's click on this. Let's hide the element. Nice. Let's click on this and let's blur the element. Great. Now let's try changing this DP. Let's click on this. Let's upload a mask element. I will upload Mark Zuckerberg's photo. I have uploaded his photo. Let's click on save. Here we go. Wow, that's pretty interesting. And with replace image, we can replace this image as well. Thank you, folks. Please stay tuned for further videos.